Today, let's begin with a funny clapping game. Clap together with me. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday. And there's Monday. There's Tuesday. And there's Wednesday. There's Thursday. And there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Good job. So, how many days of the week do you know? Yes, 7. Now, listen to bell horses, a funny nursery rhyme about the time. Bell horses, what time of day? 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 and away. So, use o'clock, AM or PM when you talk about the time. What do you do in the morning? Listen to a poem about good morning habits. Good habits. Brush, brush, brush your teeth early in the morning. Take, take, take your bath early in the morning. Comb, comb, comb your hair early in the morning. Drink, drink, drink your milk early in the morning. Go, go, go to school early in the morning. What do you do in the morning? I brush my teeth. What do you do in the afternoon? I read stories. What do you do in the evening? I watch cartoons. What do you do at 10 p.m.? I go to bed. What do you do at night? I sleep. Use the present simple tense when you talk about habits and everyday activities. Now, listen to an old traditional English nursery rhyme. It's raining, it's pouring. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He bumped his head and went to bed. And he couldn't get up in the morning. Is it snowing now? No, it is not. Use the verb in the present continuous tense when you talk about actions happening now. What is happening right now? Yes, it's raining. Little Johnny doesn't like when it's raining. Rain. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. What games does Johnny like playing? He likes playing football or soccer. He likes playing basketball and volleyball. He likes playing many different games. Little Johnny also likes painting and watching TV. He likes making a sandcastle and swimming. He likes flying a kite and riding a bike. He also likes doing karate. So, little Johnny likes doing a lot of different things. He has a lot of hobbies. What about you? What is your hobby? So, now you know a lot of funny rhymes and poems. Also, you have reviewed some grammar rules. It's high time to do some tasks.